everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Faire, by the way, and today we are going to go to the Ren Fair. So if you saw my last video, you saw some really cute outfit ideas, and I decided to go with the Runaway princess as everyone was recommending it, and I really liked the summer vibe of it all. But right now I'm just doing my makeup. I have my eyeshadow done, and now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, and hopefully I don't screw up. And then I'm going to do my hair because obviously it's a mess right now, but I'm probably gonna do have my hair down in like some simple braids maybe. And I'm gonna also have a flower crown. So yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog as best as I can, and hopefully I'll talk in it, but if not, I'll do a voiceover or a text. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, and let's go to the Ren Fair, guys. Okay, so I have my hair and makeup done. I just kind of did a little simple braid right here. Probably should pin this. I don't know, we'll see. And then just like curled it a little bit. And now I'm going to try and put my corset on properly. I'm gonna look up a video and maybe I'll like speed record that and we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, we're gonna do an outfit check. Okay, tell me about your outfit.
So this is just stuff that I thrifted. This is from Target. I wear it with lolitas sometimes, but today I'm wearing it at the Ren Fair. A belt I thrifted at a thrift store. And this skirt I got at the Salvation Army.
Very cute.
And then these Doc Martens I got at my job a long time ago.
Oh yeah, and then show this. This is really cute.
And this is a bag that I found in my mother's garage. She just had it shoved in the garage and I thought it was cute.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, Ariana, tell me about yours.
I got this at a lolita swap, and so it kind of looks medieval, and then I just got like this bag.
Yeah, the bag fits really well, and then her little tiara.
I borrowed this tiara from Mari, so.
Yeah, cute.
Alright.
I just got my stuff. I kind of showed this already, like, in a previous one, but
Mm-hmm.
have to.
Yeah, okay.
You're so pretty.
Thanks.
It looks really pretty against your hair too. Wait, actually.